Okay, so now let's solve a comprehensive question. Ashok, Bhim and Chetan were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3:2:1. Balance sheet as at 31st March 2015 is given to us. You can see on the asset side, all the assets are given. On the liability side, other than outsider liabilities, general reserve and capital of the partners are given. Now the question says Ashok, Bhim, Chetan decided to share future profits equally. So now their ratio will be 1:1:1 and it was agreed that goodwill of the firm will be valued at rupees 3 lakh. I hope you remember the treatment of goodwill that you have already learned in this chapter in the earlier videos and you have practiced questions also. Next, land is to be revalued at rupees 1,60,000 and the building is to be depreciated by 6%. Creditors of 12,000 were not likely to be claimed and hence be written off. We have to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the reconstituted firm if the partners agree to record the revised values of the certain liability in the books. I hope you remember in the initial video it was said that there are two methods to revalue assets and liability. We are still doing the first method when the revised values are to be recorded in the books. So in that case, what do? We prepare revaluation account. So in the question, adjustment number 2 and 3 are for revaluation purpose. Let's look into it now. Land be revalued at rupees 1,60,000. Check in the balance sheet what was the value of land, rupees 1 lakh. And now it is to be revalued at rupees 1,60,000. So what is the increase in the land? Rupees 60,000. This increase will be recorded on the credit side. Increase in asset makes the partner happy. So land account on the credit side, rupees 60,000. Next, it is written that the building is to be depreciated by 6%. Depreciation means fall in the value of the asset. So building in the balance sheet is at rupees 1 lakh. Now let us decrease the value of the building by 6%. 6% will come out to be rupees 6,000. Decrease in the asset makes the partner sad. So building account debit rupees 6,000. Next, it is written creditors of rupees 12,000 were not likely to be claimed and hence be written off. This means that rupees 12,000 will not be claimed by the creditors. We do not have to pay 12,000 to the creditor. Hence, decrease in the liability will make you happy and written on the credit side. Creditors account 12,000. Since no other adjustment is given for revaluation purpose, now let us find the balancing figure. Balancing figure comes out on the debit side in this case. So which is profit. Profit is 66,000. And we divide this profit among old partners in the old ratio. What was the old ratio of Ashok, Bhim, Chetan? 3:2:1. So the profit will be distributed among Ashok, Bhim and Chetan into their capital account in the ratio of 3:2:1. Now the next step is to prepare partners capital account. What is the first step in partners capital account? To write down the balance BD from the balance sheet. So quickly check in the balance sheet what was the balance capital of Ashok, Bhim and Chetan. It was 2 lakh, 1 lakh and 50,000 respectively. So the first thing in the partners capital we write on the credit side by balance BD, or you can only write balance BD and record the amount of capital of the three partners. Now in the second step we will transfer the revaluation profit we just calculated to partners capital account. You know that in capital account, when the capital increases, it is recorded on the credit side, and when the capital decreases, it is debited. So when the revaluation profit will be given to the partner, profit will increase the capital of the partner. Hence, revaluation account is credited in the partner's capital account. 33,000 was Ashok's profit and Bhim's was 22,000 and Chetan's was 11,000. Now check in the balance sheet if there are any reserves or accumulated profit or accumulated losses that are to be distributed among the partners. Yes, general reserve is given in the balance sheet at rupees 60,000. I hope you remember the treatment that was done in the previous class of reserves. So this general reserve will be distributed among the old partners in the old ratio. So this general reserve will be distributed among the partners in the old ratio of 3:2:1. partners will get the general reserve, hence capital account will increase, and that is why it is recorded on the credit side of partners capital account. Now let us check for the goodwill that was mentioned in the adjustment. It was written that the goodwill of the firm will be valued at rupees 3 lakh. We have already covered the treatment of goodwill that is given in the adjustment in the previous classes. So for this we need to calculate the sacrificing ratio in the working notes first. Old ratio was 3:2:1 and the new ratio is 1:1:1. Quickly calculate the sacrifice or gain of all the three partners Ashok, Bhim and Chetan. What is the formula for calculating sacrificing ratio? Old ratio minus new ratio. So we can see that Ashok is sacrificing 1/6th share and Chetan is gaining 1/6th share. However, there is no change in Bhim's share. So Bhim is neither losing anything or gaining anything. So we can keep his account aside. Now coming to Ashok and Chetan, the gaining partner will compensate to the sacrificing partner the part of goodwill. In the question, goodwill is given in the adjustment at rupees 3 lakh. The journal entry is gaining partner's capital account debit to sacrificing partner's capital account. Here Chetan's capital account debit to Ashok's capital account. And what will be the sacrifice or gain of both? Goodwill into their share sacrifice or their share gain. So Chetan will compensate 1/6th share of the goodwill, that is 1/6th of rupees 3 lakh, which will come out to be rupees 50,000. So Chetan will compensate 50,000 to Ashok for his gain in the profit sharing ratio. Now let's post this journal entry into the partner's capital account. I hope all of you remember how to post journal entries into ledger account. So let us post it quickly. Ashok will get 50,000 in his amount column, and from whom? Chetan's capital account. And Chetan is paying 50,000. So in the Chetan's debit side, we will write 50,000 and he's paying to Ashok's capital account. Now we have covered all the adjustments given in the question. The last step is to balance the partner's capital account. So we can see that the balance carried down of Ashok is 3,13,000, of Bhim is 1,42,000, and the balance capital of Chetan is 21,000 rupees. The question also asked us to prepare balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. So the firm will reconstitute on which date? From which date are they changing the profit sharing ratio? April 1st, 2015. So now we will prepare a balance sheet as at April 1st, 2015 and record the new value of the assets and liabilities. The land in the old balance sheet was given at 1 lakh, but now we have to record it at rupees 1,60,000. 60,000 was the increase, so the final amount of land is 1,60,000. Building in the old balance sheet was rupees 1 lakh and we had depreciated it by 6%. So now what is the value of the building? 94,000 rupees. Plant, bank, stock, debtors remain at their old value since no change happened during revaluation of assets and liabilities. Coming to the liability side, firstly, let us write the new capitals of Ashok, Bhim and Chetan that we just calculated in the partner's capital account. So balance CD of Ashok was 3,13,000, new capital of Bhim was 1,42,000 and the balance CD of Chetan was 21,000. So the total of capital will be written on the outer column, 66,000. Next, creditors in the old balance sheet were rupees 1 lakh and rupees 12,000 are not to be paid now. So the remaining creditors are 88,000 rupees. Bill payable, there was no change in this liability, so it will be recorded at the original value. Also, there was general reserve in the old balance sheet, but we have already distributed it among the partners in the old ratio. Now, no reserve is left to be recorded here. In the last, we total our balance sheet and the total comes out to be rupees 6,04,000. I hope you were able to understand, solve this question yourself, then only move on to the next video.